Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on US30 and NAS100. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in both of these instruments. As you can see from the lower time frame, they are showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture looking at the monthly time frame. Now from the monthly, we can see that US30 is a long-term bullish market. We can see that with this monthly impulse, US30 has created this strong impulse followed by this consolidation, which is a bullish consolidation pattern, and the price grab liquidity from the support, and we have seen this move happen in that zone. Now we see that there is a triangular pattern here with a liquidity grab. US30 has created this move. Now this current monthly candle, we saw that after this previous monthly close, US30 has created a monthly bounce. Now what we see that in that zone the price is approaching an important monthly resistance, and what I think that US30 highly likely might go ahead and test this resistance and even could break this to the upside. So from the monthly we see that potential bullish move on US30. If we look at the weekly, previous week there is a strong rejection from the support, which is in fact a bullish price action. We see that there is a potential inverted head and shoulder, a breakout, and this week so far we have seen the price has come down again to the neckline of this previous resistance zone here, turn support, and we saw that after testing this level the price has a strong rejection to the upside. Now if we look at the daily on US30, we can see the market also showing typical bullish price action with this double bottom formation. US30 has broken out of this structure completely from this daily trend line, and we saw that after this breakout, we saw this is the resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and which is turning support here. We saw a retest of this level, form a doji on the daily. Now back to back every day the price is creating series of higher high and higher low, and we can expect slowly the price to move up to resistance level. So there is a gap to fill on US30 from the daily perspective as well. So monthly, weekly, and daily giving a very high probability for US30 to continue to move up. So if we look at further lower time frame from the intraday perspective, we see that typical bullish price action. We can see there's the impulse, the price has come back down here and consolidated, forming a bullish structure. So let's look at 1 hour time frame to see how the price action is forming. Now we saw that the market is moving along this channel. This is the a lower time frame channel on US30, and current 1 hour candle, we saw the price has broken out of this structure, tested this neckline of this previous resistance as a support, and we see the price is slowly turning to a bullish price action again. Along this zone I will be waiting for a strong breakout to the upside. As soon as you will find suitable entry opportunity on US30 along this zone, we after retest we will consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now let's look at Nasdaq. Now Nasdaq, looking at monthly, now from the monthly perspective, Nasdaq previous months also created this long bullish engulfer. This is a bullish candle, as you can see, completely broken out of this structure, which is a continuation pattern. Now this month, once the market open, we have seen that there is another bullish candle to the upside, and what I think that the market may continue to rise. At least we can expect the price to go ahead and test this resistance level, or even it might create a new higher high. Now if we look at the weekly on Nasdaq, we can see that from the weekly perspective, this is the starting of this impulse on the weekly. This week so far the prices form a narrow weekly doji. Now with that narrow doji formation, what we see that US30, pardon me, Nasdaq has formed a higher low along the zone. This is the weekly candle, and we can expect the price to continue to rise in that direction to reach to the resistance zone. So from the weekly as well, as you can see, there's a gap opening, the price created a higher low, we can expect the price to continue to rise. If we look at the daily on Nasdaq, we can see that this is the daily price action, and the market structure is strongly bullish. We see with this market structure, the price creating series of higher high and higher low. So this is a series of higher high and higher low, which is a typical bullish market structure. Now we see with this impulse to the upside on the daily, this is a strong impulse correction, another impulse. Now today's candle, the price has come to this significant daily level of support here, and we saw this is the rejection from the support, giving a high probability for Nasdaq to continue to rise to the resistance level. Now, for the lower time frame on the 1 hour, let's see how the price is doing. As you can see in this lower time frame, the price has formed a clean inverted head and shoulder breakout. Now, with that breakout, we see with this candle, the price has created a strong impulse. I will be waiting for a pullback, possibly to this level where there is a neckline. If the price doesn't reach that much far, we need at least a liquidity along the zone. As soon as we will see that happen, according to the rules of our strategies, we'll consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.